Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Nat and Oz. Today I am showing you how I make my cheesy baked penne. The key ingredients are penne and cheese. You may add any kind of meats at your choice, or even go with the vegetarian version. I start by crushing the garlic and a dried chili. You may skip the chili if you don't like this spice, but for Thai, we can't live without it. Spinach will add the green vibrant color to the dish. It is also a source of vitamin. Mushroom is another ingredient that goes along very well with any dish. I use milk, corn flour, and cheese to create the creamy texture. I add salt and pepper into this milk mixture to make it easier when I cook the dish. After we have prepared all the ingredients, it's time to boil the penne. Halfway through the pasta cooking time, I set the pan on the stove with medium heat. Bring the meat of your choice to the pan. In this video, I use Thai-style fermented pork, which has a little tangy taste that will add more flavor to the dish. And here it is, my cheesy baked penne that is packed with flavor and nutrition. It is not too creamy, but very satisfying and easy to make. This is one of my favorite menu for dinner. I hope you'll like my video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel to see my easy but yummy cooking idea.